Hey guys, I'm Greg.
I'm Nicole.
We're the owners of Amiga Solar+Batteries. We're a family-owned solar company that's been working with homeowners and business owners for over 10 years now, since 2008.
One of the reasons that led us to join the solar industry is how interested Greg has been in solar for the last 20 years.
That's right, Nicole. Over 20 years ago, I purchased a property and set up an off-grid solar system. That's where I learned about the benefits of solar energy and how it can save.
Another reason is due to Greg's 30-year electrical experience, and is one of the most unique things about Greg is that not only is he an owner of the business, is that he has maintained his accreditations and skills to oversee installs.
We've installed and managed over 6,000 solar installations now. We focus on the customer needs and want to help you save money on your electricity bills. We also want to help save our planet. Solar energy is the best way to do this.